Acids, bases and salts. Experiment. Testing acidic and basic nature of substances. And finding their pH values. Theory. Acidic and basic substances have the property of giving different colors at different pH values of solutions. pH of an acid is different from pH of a base. Red and blue litmus are used to test the acidic and basic nature of solutions. Blue litmus turns red in acidic solution, whereas red litmus turns blue in basic solution. pH paper is to know more precisely nature of solution. pH makes it clear if the solution is strong acid, weak acid, strong base, weak base, or is neutral. Materials required: small plastic bowls, test tubes, spatula, small stick, red litmus sand, blue litmus papers, pH papers, vinegar, hydrochloric acid, citric acid, detergent, soap, sugar, salt, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, washing soda, baking soda. Procedure and observations. We take different materials in test tubes. And make their aqueous solution. Then, we add small pieces of red litmus papers in each solution. So, washing soda turns red litmus blue. Sodium hydroxide turns red litmus blue. In hydrochloric acid, litmus remains red. Baking soda turns red litmus blue. In vinegar and in citric acid, the litmus remains red. In sugar solution, litmus remains red. In salt solution, litmus remains red. Soap solution changes red litmus blue. Detergent solution changes red litmus blue. And in water, litmus remains red. Now, we take small pieces of blue litmus papers and add them to each solution. we observe that blue litmus becomes red when it is added in hydrochloric acid, vinegar, and citric acid. And it remains blue in sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, detergent solution, soap solution, salt solution, sugar solution, and distilled water. At last, we add pH papers. In each solution, pH paper changes its color depending upon the strength of the acid or base. We observe the color of paper changes to red in hydrochloric acid, dark yellow in vinegar, orange in citric acid, blue in sodium hydroxide, dark blue in washing soda, and slight purple in baking soda. The color of pH papers changes to green in sugar solution. Light green in salt solution. Blue in soap solution. Indigo in detergent solution. And green in water. Now, we will compare these colors and find pH values of these substances. So, we conclude that the sodium hydroxide, washing soda, baking soda, soap solution, and detergent solution are basic in nature, and hydrochloric acid, citric acid, and vinegar are acidic in nature. And those substances, which did not change the color of both blue and red litmus, are neutral, which are sugar, salt, and water. Now, on comparing the colors of pH papers in these solution with pH scale, we find the pH values of these solutions, which are